Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today I am going to continue with knitting my sock, and this is series number 5, and I am supposed to actually make the leg of my sock 6 inches long. And if you notice, there is a little pattern here, and there's this little line that's going through the pattern. And I'm going to show you how to actually knit this without using a cable needle. If you are a knitter, you probably are very familiar with cable needles. And cable needles is a separate needle that you use to remove stitches, set them aside to continue with some knitting, and then get those stitches off that extra needle and put it back on the working needle. So for this, I'm going to knit 4 stitches here. 1, 2, 3, 4. At this point, the directions say to take these 4 stitches and put them on a separate cable needle. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take these stitches and I'm going to put it back on the left needle. Now at this point, I will take my working yarn and I will wrap it around the needle, these 4 stitches counterclockwise. To complete that wrap, I'm going to put those worked stitches onto the right needle. Then I'm going to take this working stitch and pull it into the back, and then I will knit 4 more stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you can see right here that I wrapped these 4. These 4 are not. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take these 4 stitches, put it back on the left needle, lifting it from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the working yarn, wrap it counterclockwise. So as I bring that yarn to the front, I'm going to lift these 4 stitches back onto the right needle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the working yarn, put it to the back, and then I can start this pattern again. So this makes this particular sock pattern easy to take on the go, because instead of having another needle, a cable needle, to do this part, I don't really need it. I can just use the 2 needles that I already have and keep working on my sock without missing a beat. Use this particular stitch pattern without using a cable needle. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Leave comments down below. I hope this was helpful. Until next time.